Okay, good morning. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning.
He needs to look straight because he's driving. So anyway, it is 4:30 in the morning. Good morning. Yay! We're on our way to the hospital and I want to interview Brian. How are you feeling? You gotta look straight.
I'm looking straight, yeah.
Okay.
I feel great.
You do, but do you really?
I'm nervous,
Yeah.
a little anxious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nervous and anxious. So that's how I was. We've been talking the whole way, and he's going far, like an hour away from where we live. So we have a while to get there. And I've had multiple surgeries, so I've been telling him to look for all the signs. Like I follow Archangel Michael, and it's blue and purple, and I see signs every time I'm about to have surgery that make me feel comforted that I know I'm going to be okay. So would you know what signs you would look for?
I'm looking for him.
For which?
Have my eyes open.
Same angel? Or the
Anything,
colors?
really. Yeah. Something that stands out, right?
Yeah. Like our
Something
colors.
It's going to mean something to it.
Yeah, like blue and purple would be one thing.
Yeah.
So anyway, we are just documenting a ride to the hospital in the morning, and it's a little bumpy here on I-95. And we'll be back at you when I see him next, which will hopefully be tonight. So we'll add part 2 to this video before I post it. Any final words?
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
It's a good anxious. I'm excited about it. So it's going to be a good experience.
Yeah, you'll be out of a lot of pain. Better quality of life, right?
That's right. Better quality.
Okay, so everybody watching this, say a prayer for Brian's healing and recovery. And we're very positive. We know everything's going to be great and it's going to help. Oh yeah, blue and purple. Yeah, we got our first sign. All right, everyone, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye.